Find or read reviews that people are talking about push-up board, home gym, portable exercise equipment, Pilates bar and 20 fitness accessories with resistance bands and a roller wheel. Full body workout at home. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Workout equipment system. Portable exercise pack is used with various workout equipment attachments. Foldable push-up board, 3-section bar, 6 resistance bands, 2 ankle strap, door anchors, a roller wheel, which can fulfill most of your workout needs in the gym. Unique push-up board. The unique appearance of custom design is fashionable and efficient. Working out the right muscle groups according to the color area improves exercise efficiency by 80%. Target, chest, triceps, shoulders, back, for maximum effect. Portable home gym. Designed to replace bulky equipment and machines in gyms and combine them into one creative workout concept. It's a home gym that you can take anywhere, work your whole body out, take up no space, and save you the expensive cost of a gym. Fitness system for anyone. Versatile home portable fitness device. We've kept the professional push UPS training, added foldable fitness bars and wrist/ankle straps. A roller wheel and 6 resistance bands so you can perform more exercises. Light but stable enough. You can choose the intensity according to your ability. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.